Hello everyone, your Reshmi here from your Rice Person. Hope you all are doing very good today. Thank you so much for your support, cooperation, sale, feedback, nice feedback, your guidelines. Thanks a lot. Please keep it up. And today I have selected some exclusive collections only for you. So let me display. These are also a very beautiful and elegant exclusive collections, premium quality pure handloom zari linen, premium quality zari linen weaving with golden zari border and full border portions, beautiful golden zari temple weaving design, very smart, trendy, elegant looks. This one full base part very soft, comfortable one, premium quality pure handloom zari linen weaving, and this one is highlighted border portions, premium quality soft golden zari border, contrast red piping and full border portions, temple weaving design by golden zari. And this one pallu part, very highlighted one, fully golden zari weaving, fine weaving design, temple pattern weaving design, heavy worked pallu and fully hand weaving design and this one is full base part, very soft, comfortable, exclusive collections, premium quality zari linen with temple weaving design. This one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, very elegant, bright, fresh looks, best for your party wear. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, gorgeous looks. And this one also very beautiful one, natural fabric, linen by linen with jamdani work, fully hand weaving jamdani, and base is natural fabric, linen by linen. One portion is golden zari border and one portion is silver zari border, and full base part is beautiful weaving, hand weaving jamdani work. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, very colorful threaded weaving jamdani work pallu, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks. And this one full base part, natural fabric, linen by linen, golden zari border, contrast pink piping, and full base part is hand weaving jamdani work. And this one is running blouse piece and this one is full base part, beautiful work, very nice one. And one portion is silver zari, one portion is silver zari border, one portion is golden zari border, very trendy one. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright looks. And this one also very beautiful one, tissue silk, pure tissue silk with fine weaving design, fully heavy work, full base part, have sign also, tissue silk with weaving work, Banarasi weaving work, very nice one. This one is full base part, tissue silk, and this one is golden zari fine Banarasi weaving border, and this one is full base part, very smart, elegant looks, based for your party wear, shiny material. And this one is pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, heavy golden zari Banarasi weaving, heavy worked pallu, tissue silk. This one is brocade running blouse piece, and this one full base part, very elegant smart looks, traditional also, tissue silk with Banarasi work. And I will suggest this silk material, soft silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, gorgeous looks. Very beautiful one and very soft, comfortable cotton ikat, very smart, bright looks, pure handloom one, and with beautiful weaving border design, and full base part is ikat pattern, very nice one, smart, trendy, bright looks. This one border portions fully golden zari fine weaving border design, and full base part is beautiful ikat pattern, very soft one, cotton ikat, very trendy, smart looks. This one is running blouse piece, beautiful contrast color ikat running blouse piece. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color pallu, highlighted stripes with beautiful ikat design pallu, very nice one, bright looks and very soft, comfortable, elegant, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright, elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful one, silk linen base, handloom silk linen Banarasi work, very bright one, beautiful color combinations, maroon shade, reddish maroon shade with beautiful weaving buta work, full base part and this one border portions fine golden zari hand weaving heavy worked border, and this one full base part beautiful weaving buta design, very bright looks, bright reddish maroon shade with heavy Banarasi weaving work, full base part. And this one pallu portions highlighted golden zari weaving design, heavy worked pallu. This one is pallu, and this one is full base part silk linen material and heavy work and this one is border highlighted heavy worked border, and this one is pallu, and this one running blouse piece, fully brocade work running blouse piece, very bright beautiful gorgeous looks. And this one also beautiful one, pure handloom silk cotton material, golden zari border, and full base part is yellow base, bright yellow shade with beautiful golden zari weaving buta work, full base, very soft one, premium quality pure handloom silk cotton material and fine weaving buta design, fully hand weaving work, yellow base. And this one pallu, but pallu also very beautiful one, highlighted golden zari fine weaving design, heavy worked pallu, and this one is full base part, very trendy smart bright gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding smart bright looks. So very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom, half matka half muslin, very bright smart looks, elegant one with muslin portion is beautiful hand weaving polka design, very nice one. This one a muslin part half matka half muslin, muslin part is transparent with beautiful golden zari weaving polka design, and this one half part matka base, very soft comfortable smart looks. This one is plate section, this one is running blouse piece, this one is pleats, and this one is upper base part to pallu in muslin with transparent and weaving polka design, very nice one smart looks. And this one pallu in very bright looks, contrast color with golden zari weaving stripes pattern pallu in, this portion is matka base, this portion is muslin upper base part transparent with weaving polka design, and half portion is pleat section is matka with beautiful matka base and muslin, very nice one, and splits portion matka base, and trendy looks, bright color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh bright looks. And this one also very beautiful one, fully hand batik printed one, chanderi silk cotton with beautiful hand batik printed one, highlighted golden zari border, and this one is full base part, beautiful batik printed one, fully hand batik print draw, very nice one, trendy color combinations, very nice one. This one is pallu, and this one full base part contrast color border, dye border with beautiful hand batik printed one, very soft comfortable chanderi silk cotton, and this one is full base part, very nice one. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh trendy looks, best for your office wear, daily wear, very soft comfortable summer friendly. And this one also a very elegant one, premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base with beautiful weaving work by Gicha silk. Let me open, very nice one, elegant looks, ikat contrast border, and this one is full base soft comfortable, this one is full base pure ikat border and full border portions stitching katha stitch pattern weaving work by Gicha silk, and this one is pallu part contrast color with fine weaving stripes pattern Gicha weaving stripes, very nice one, and premium quality pure handloom khadi cotton base, and this one is full base pure khadi ikat border, this one is highlighted border, very smart elegant looks, and fully Gicha weaving stripes work, one border but highlighted border, and this one is full base, and this one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base but pure khadi with ikat contrast border. And I will suggest this cotton fabric beautiful printed contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding elegant looks. And this one also very beautiful one, tissue lion base and elegant color combinations, contrast color weaving border and full base part also contrast color buta, very nice one. This one is full base part, premium quality pure handloom tissue layer. This one is border portion silver zari with contrast red threaded weaving stripes pattern border, and this one is full base part, beautiful weaving buta design, contrast color weaving buta. And this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one full base part, shiny material tissue layer, have silver sign and beautiful elegant color combinations with fine weaving buta design, very smart, elegant, bright, trendy looks. And I will suggest this silk material, heavy brocade work, contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks. Very beautiful one, premium quality pure handloom natural fabric layer by layer with jamdani work, very bright one, red bright maroon shade, golden zari border and full base part is jamdani work. This one is full base part, this one is border portions, fully contrast color weaving design, temple pattern weaving design, hand weaving design border, and full base part is multicolored weaving polka design and bright maroon shade. And this one pallu part, pallu is very beautiful one, highlighted heavy worked jamdani worked pallu, fully hand weaving work. And this one full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart, bright looks, and border portions golden zari border and full border portions temple weaving temple design, and full base part is polka weaving work, very nice one, trendy, smart, bright looks. And I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks. And this one also a very beautiful one, natural fabric layer by layer, blue shade, navy blue shade, contrast border, and pallu portions is beautiful hand weaving jamdani work. This one is full base part, and this one pallu part, pallu also very beautiful one, fully hand weaving jamdani work pallu, highlighted stripes with jamdani work, very nice one, soft, comfortable, natural fabric layer by layer. And this one full base part, bright navy blue shade, contrast color border. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part, very trendy, bright, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material mirror work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, smart looks. And this one also very beautiful one, batik printed one, fully hand batik print, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab material, and contrast color border and pallu. And this one full base part, fully hand batik printed one, silver zari border, very soft, comfortable, smart looks, based for your office wear. This one pallu part, silver zari stripes with beautiful batik printed pallu. And this one full base part, very smart, bright looks. This one is full base part, orange with contrast blue border, and this one is silver zari border with batik printed one, very trendy looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full piece part. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, smart, trendy daily looks. Very beautiful one, very elegant color combinations also, soft parrot green shade, premium quality pure handloom cotton slab design work, silver zari border. And this one full base part, very smart, elegant looks. This one is full base part, green shade, light green shade, silver zari stripes pattern pallu with beautiful design work, very nice one, trendy looks, mirror with beads embroidery design. And this one full base part, very soft, comfortable, smart looks, mirror work with beads design and parrot green shade and silver zari border, very nice one, comfortable one, summer friendly. And this one running blouse piece. And I will suggest this neat weaving sequin work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, bright, fresh looks. And this one also very beautiful one, natural fabric layer by layer, pure handloom one, contrast border, pink shade with beautiful weaving, hand weaving buta design, very nice one, elegant color combinations. This one, you know, full base part. This one is border portions, highlighted border, white with silver zari weaving, soft border, contrast pink piping, gray shade. And this one, you know, full base part is beautiful contrast color, pink shaded weaving buta design, jamdani weaving buta. And this one is running blouse piece. And this one, you know, pallu part. Pallu also very beautiful one, contrast color, highlighted stripes with beautiful weaving buta design. Very smart, elegant looks. 21 natural fabric, lane by lane. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding traditional looks. Fresh one, beautiful. And this one also, you know, very nice one, bright looks, best for your party wear. Matka muslin, half matka, half muslin portions, fully hand weaving jamdani work, very colorful also. This one, you know, half portion black with hand weaving jamdani work, very bright looks. And this one, you know, pallu in contrast color, pink shaded magenta pink with golden zari weaving, fine weaving stripes pattern work. And this one, you know, full base part. This one is upper base part, fully hand weaving jamdani work, transparent muslin with beautiful hand weaving jamdani work, very colorful also. And this one, you know, matka portion, split section. This half portion is matka, this one is matka, and this one is muslin. Very nice one, elegant looks. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is fully muslin with hand weaving jamdani work. And I will suggest this silk material heavy buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding bright gorgeous look, best for your party wear. This one also, you know, very beautiful one, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful hand weaving work, black base, bright one with magenta pink shade weaving design buta work. This one, you know, full base part, fully hand weaving multi floral weaving buta, big buta design, and base is black. This one, you know, pallu portions highlighted weaving design, a stripes pattern, temple pattern weaving design, highlighted pallu. And this one, you know, full base part, natural fabric, lane by lane with beautiful weaving buta design, very smart, trendy, elegant looks, bright also. This one is running blouse piece, and this one is full base part. And I will suggest this silk material Gujarati work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your trendy, bright, smart looks, very elegant also. You know, very beautiful one, best for your party wear, matka muslin jamdani, very nice one, elegant color combinations. This one, you know, magenta pink shade. This one is muslin part with beautiful hand weaving, fine hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, elegant color combinations and colorful threaded weaving design jamdani work. This portion is matka split section, this one is matka, and this one is upper base part, muslin with hand weaving jamdani work, very nice one, bright looks, trendy one. And this one is pallu and highlighted matka with muslin weaving fine stripes pattern pallu end. And this one is full base part, upper base part, fully hand weaving jamdani work, muslin transparent, very nice one, elegant bright color combinations. And I will suggest this silk material heavy brocade work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding fresh, bright, gorgeous looks. And this one also, you know, very beautiful one, best for your party wear, shiny material, tissue lane, premium quality, pure handloom, tissue lane, golden shine, blackish golden shade, very bright looks. And this one, you know, border portions highlighted contrast color, fine stripes pattern border. And this one is full base part, beautiful one, golden shine, blackish golden shade, tissue lane, soft, comfortable, smart, bright, gorgeous looks. This one is full base part. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, you know, pallu part, very beautiful one, highlighted golden zari fine stripes pattern pallu. And this one is full base part, very nice one, elegant, bright, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material, pure silk material buta work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your smart, bright, outstanding looks. Shiny material, golden shine, blackish golden shade. This one also, very beautiful one, half matka, half muslin, polka weaving design, very elegant color combinations, trendy one, brown with black shade. This one is full base part. This one is full base part, half matka, half muslin. This portion is upper base part, muslin, transparent with golden zari weaving polka design. And this one, half part matka base. This one is split section, brown shade, and this one is black muslin with weaving polka design. This one is running blouse piece, and this one, pallu and beautiful one, fine golden zari with matka weaving, fine stripes pattern pallu end. This one is pallu end. This one is black with golden weaving polka design, and half portion is matka. This portion is matka and this portion is muslin. Very elegant, bright, gorgeous looks. And I will suggest this silk material weaving work contrast blouse piece, brocade weaving work contrast blouse piece with this saree for your outstanding, fresh, bright, gorgeous looks. So, very beautiful one, bright maroon shade, pure premium quality organza base with reshmi zari weaving, soft reshmi zari weaving border and buta design. Very nice one, bright looks. This one, full base part, very nice one, maroon, bright maroon shade, and this one is border portions, very soft reshmi zari weaving border, and full border portions, beautiful fine weaving highlighted lines, and full base part is weaving buta design. Very smart, bright looks, pure organza base. And this one, pallu part, fully reshmi zari weaving pallu, golden zari weaving pallu, reshmi zari with beautiful weaving buta design, and pallu in this beautiful pom-pom design. And this one, full base part, very smart, elegant, bright, gorgeous looks, best for your party wear, wedding functions. Very nice one. This one is full base part, white border, golden zari, soft, and this one is full base, very trendy one. And this one, running blouse piece, fully work, highlighted border with fine weaving design, heavy worked running blouse piece, very bright, beautiful, gorgeous looks. And today I have draped a beautiful saree, pure organza base with heavy contrast color with heavy Banarasi weaving work. Base is black and border is very highlighted one, fully heavy worked Banarasi weaving, fully worked border, wide border. And this one is pallu end, contrast color dye pallu, and pallu end is fine golden zari stripes, highlighted border, but very nice one, pure organza Banarasi. Hope you will like our collection. Thank you so much for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Keep browsing our website. Stay healthy. Have a good day. Take care. Thank you so much.